It is time to start knitting, and the first thing you need to do is learn how to do the long tail cast on. For the long tail cast on, you need about 1 inch of yarn for every stitch that you're going to cast on. My mat is 24 inches long, and so I'm going to go just a little beyond 24 inches. I'll hold the yarn here, and I'm going to start with a slip knot. There's another way you can do that, but the slip knot is probably the easier version, so we'll do that for now and we'll worry about the other later. I've got the yarn that is just the loose end, and then I've got the yarn that is attached to the ball. The one with the loose end I'm going to leave closest to me. I'm going to grab both pieces of yarn with my 3 bottom fingers, and then I'm going to stick my index finger and my thumb through the yarn. I tip my hand back, and with the point of my needle I'm going to go underneath the yarn on the bottom of my thumb, around the yarn on the inside of my index finger, and then I'm going to end up with this loop on my thumb, and I bring that over the point of the needle. Pull them down. You can continue to hold on to them, to the 2 pieces of yarn between each stitch, or you can let go. But when you start again, you're going to hold on to those 2 pieces, stick your index finger and your thumb through, tip your hand back, grab the yarn on the outside of your thumb, on the inside of your index finger, and then this loop that's on your thumb comes over the point, and then you drop your thumb out and you pull. Now you want to just pull till it's snug. You don't want it to be tight because you're going to have to stick your other needle in here when you start knitting. So around the outside of my thumb, the inside of my index finger, and then the loop on my thumb comes over the point, and pull it tight. We'll just do that slowly. Again, you grab both pieces of yarn, stick your thumb and your index finger through. You want to stay fairly close to the needle. It gets unruly if you get way out here. You can do it, but it's just not quite as easy, so stay close to the needle. These should be taut, not tight. On the outside of your thumb, inside of your index finger. And we continue to do that until we've got our 24 stitches. Looks pretty complicated, but once you start doing it, your muscle memory will kick in and it gets easier and easier. Please feel free to come back to this video and watch again when you start your next project, because you cast on at the beginning of your project and then you start knitting. So in all likelihood, you're going to forget how to do the cast on and you're going to need to learn again. But once you do it 3 or 4 times, you'll become a pro. That's the long tail cast on method.